Hey, what's up guys, this is Henry Neo, and today is a brand new day. Happy New Year to all of you out there, and thanks for sticking with me on my channel. It's been awesome all the way. Today we have something brand new here, and I'm starting off the year by unboxing this guy because I want to see more space, more working space. I want to see better colors. This is the HP Pavilion 32. It's a 32-inch Quad HD TV. Not a TV, sorry, it's a monitor. It's a 32-inch Quad HD monitor that's got 100% sRGB color space for accurate color representation on your screen. I do a lot of graphics design, web applications development, and also video editing. So I needed something with a real huge screen, real estate to help me take control of all the tasks that I get into on a day-to-day basis. So this comes in really handy. It's also got Amd Freesync Technology, which helps you reduce the response time between input and response on the screen. So if you've got a compatible AMD graphics card, that would help you with regards to this. Right now the screen comes with a default of 7 milliseconds input lag, but with the AMD FreeSync it reduces it to about 3 milliseconds. It's also got a couple of ports that comes with this. It's got 2 HDMI ports, it's got 1 display port, it's got a USB hub that contains 2 USB ports. So what that means is you can plug in your mouse, your keyboard, or something else to the back of this monitor. Really awesome. So it's got a 178-degree viewing angle, so really amazing viewing angles from a lot of places. Now, some people might ask me, why did I get this in 2017, the last days of 2017? Well, I got this because the price point to the value that this TV, this monitor gives is really amazing. This monitor goes for just $350, which is really amazing for something that gives you Quad HD resolution. This is all you have in the box. Here you have the 32-inch monitor. We've got a table stand. It's a really hefty table stand. We've also got this wall bracket mount, power adapter for the monitor that plugs in to the little ports over here. And that's the power cable. Yeah, so this is display ports to display port connector. So I'm going to be completely honest with you here. This screen, the HP Pavilion 32, is absolutely fantastic. Beautiful color representation, almost true to life. I mean, the screen is huge. You can work on 4 different applications at the same time. It's got a beautiful matte display, no reflection, no glare. I mean, viewing angles are fantastic. It's got 60 Hz refresh rate, meaning that the refresh rate on the screen can go up to 60 frames per second only. That's when you're playing video games. Its input delay time or input response time is about 7 milliseconds, which isn't too bad. I mean, you'll be hard pressed to find that delay lag, except you're really looking for it. Gamers will probably come out and say to you, oh, it doesn't have 140 Hz, it doesn't run a refresh rate of 140 Hz, oh boo, it has an input lag time of 7 milliseconds. I mean, look, let's be sincere here, all that is crap. That is all crap. Those are people who are nitpicking. To the normal guy out there, to the regular people who use systems every day, this is more than capable. It has an input lag time of 7 milliseconds, but that doesn't mean you can use it to play games. I mean, it will play games absolutely well. I mean, except you have that eye and you're looking for those little things to pick out and say, oh, it's got this or it's not, doesn't have this. That's when you might have to do or see that, okay, it doesn't have 140 Hz. It's also got the Amd Freesync Technology, which means if you have a PC that has an AMD graphics card, the input lag time of 7 seconds is even reduced further, which is absolutely amazing. That gives you more value for money. There are a lot of 4K screens out there, there are a lot of Quad HD screens out there, but this one I think is really and absolutely beautiful. I picked this version because I thought it was good. The ones that have speakers on the side, I really hated them. I thought they looked very ugly and I couldn't put that in my space, so I went for this one. And believe me, I'm very happy with my purchase. So if you're a designer, if you're a video editor, if you're someone who is into gaming, maybe not hardcore gaming, this is an absolutely beautiful monitor for you to consider buying. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comment section, and if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you're coming here for the first time, this is Henry Neil's channel and I review tech every week. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you're the first to receive a notification when I put up a new video. Thanks for watching this one, guys, and I appreciate you being here. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.